If you're an enthusiast for the GoPro Hero 13, you are aware that having a dependable power source is essential to get the most out of your filmmaking experience. We'll look at some of the top battery chargers on the market in this video.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Suptig battery charger. For those who want to keep their GoPro Hero 13 charged and ready for adventure, the Suptig battery charger is a great option. Among GoPro users, this charger is well-liked for its robust design and effective charging features. The Type-C and Lightning charging cable connections on the battery charger offer more versatility and convenience. Your demands can be better served by such a design. If you're unsure if the battery has power, you can check the battery level by simply placing the battery into the charger, pressing the button, and seeing how much power it has. Multiple protective mechanisms, including those against overcurrent, overvoltage, undervoltage, overheat, and short circuit, are included in the design to increase the safety of charging. A 3-channel battery charger can charge 3 batteries at once. It takes around 2 hours to fully charge 2 batteries and 2.5 hours to fully charge 3 batteries. Under 5 volts, 2.4 of voltage. Because of its small size and low weight, you can easily fit it in a pocket or your camera bag. For adventurers who are constantly on the road and require their equipment to be as portable as possible, this is very beneficial. On number 2, we have Smatree triple battery charger. Another great option for keeping your GoPro Hero 13 charged and ready for any adventure is the Smatree triple battery charger. With this charger's high-speed charging capabilities, you can be confident that your batteries will be fully charged fast and resume shooting those incredible moments without having to wait for a long time. The Smatree triple battery charger's ability to work with both GoPro original batteries and Smatree's own high-capacity batteries is one of its primary strengths. This gives you the freedom to select the batteries that best meet your requirements, no matter whether you're searching for higher performance or more affordable solutions. Up to 3 batteries can be charged simultaneously thanks to the charger's 3 separate charging slots. For extended shots or travels where you don't want to take the chance of running out of juice, this is perfect. Moreover, the Smatree charger has advanced safety features that protect your batteries from short circuits, overcharging, and overheating. These safety measures guarantee the longevity and safe charging of your batteries. When the batteries are fully charged, the LED indicators for each battery slot provide a clear visual clue about their charging state by changing from red to green. On number 3, we have Telesin battery charger. For those who want to keep their GoPro Hero 13 batteries fully charged and ready for action, the Telesin battery charger is a formidable competitor. With a solid connection and fast charging speed, all Hero batteries will be fully charged in less than 2 hours. You can use a USB Type-C cable or the little USB Type-C charger cord that comes with the GoPro charger to power it. With many protections including overcurrent, overvoltage, overcharge, overdischarge, overtemperature, and overpower, the design provides a dependable and safe charging environment for your GoPro camera and batteries. Your batteries will be charged securely and kept clean throughout time thanks to its numerous layers of safety against overcharging, overheating, and short-circuiting. The longevity and functionality of your batteries depend on these clever protective mechanisms. So these are some of the best chargers to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.